Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with pen pals using Postcrossing detailed guide step by step. To begin saving with pen pals through Postcrossing, create an account on the Postcrossing website. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the community guidelines and best practices. Next, explore the different types of postcards that resonate with your interests. Purchase a variety of postcards to have on hand for sending to your new friends. Select a topic for your postcards, such as local landmarks, art, or cultural symbols. When you receive an address to send a postcard, take your time to craft a thoughtful message. Including a personal touch, like your favorite local tip or a fun fact, can enhance the connection. Check the postage requirements in your area to ensure your postcard reaches its destination. After sending your postcard, be patient while awaiting replies from other members. Once you receive postcards, save them in a dedicated album or scrapbook to track your journey. Engage with the Postcrossing community by joining forums or social media groups. Consider sharing your experiences and tips to inspire others to start pen paling. Remember to be consistent with sending postcards to maintain your pen pal relationships. Tracking your spending on postcards, stamps, and supplies can help you stay within your budget. Look for local postcard sales for discounts to maximize your savings. With dedication and creativity, you can enjoy meaningful connections without overspending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.